Welcome to the fourth episode of Surya Namaskar. Today, we are going to explore the traditional Surya Namaskara practice. So, let's see the transition we had in all these episodes. These modifications really builds your body to get to this traditional practice. It makes your body supple and flexible. These practices are quite difficult and might be too much for some people. So, if so, you can stick with any modification till your body is ready for this traditional practice. And for those who can, be ready to explore the challenges and the interesting parts of this traditional practice, and let's build the stability and flexibility of your body. Now let's practice the ancient forms of Surya Namaskar. There are two variations. Let's start with the first one. From the standing position, bring your legs together and adapt Namaskar Mudra. Keep your spine erect. Now inhale and rise both your hands up. Give a slight back bend. Maintain with normal breathing. Now inhale, and as you exhale, slowly bend forward. Try to touch your chin to the chest. You can place your palms by the side of your feet or wherever you are comfortable. Maintain with normal breathing. Slowly take your left leg behind as you inhale and stretch completely. Place your right leg exactly at 90 degrees with the ground. Look up. Now take your right leg behind. Let's go for the plank pose. Your entire body in straight line, not up or down. Maintain the plank position. Now slowly inhale and place your knees down. Exhale and sit back on your heels. Extending your hands. Try to bend forward and touch your forehead to the ground. Maintain with normal breathing. Now slowly come forward. Now let's go for Ashtanga Namaskara. 8 parts of your body touching the ground. Your chin, chest, both your palms, your knees and toes. Now slowly come up in upward facing dog, rising your entire body up, resting only on your palms and toes. Normal breathing. Now let's move on to down dog position. Press your heels on the ground, shifting your entire body weight to back of your legs. Maintain with normal breathing. Now slowly bring your left leg in front, in between your palms. Extend your back leg as much as possible and look up. Then slowly bring your back leg to the front. Come to forward bending. Slowly come out. Give a slight back bend. And come back to Namaskar Mudra. Relax. Relax in standing position.